Arukugambaho n'abaramuza abandi Justice Opiene hayihanangiririza abakozi ba Kooti ngo bashemerere kwatanisa ari kugira ngo buhanguzi bwa Kooti n'uburigirira hakwatanisiza hamwe ho kw'abakozi.
I would say none of them have been absconding. Everybody has been coming and handling their matters as and when they are required. And even when one person or the other is not around, there's always somebody watching you, somebody on step somebody holding you from the act. So I want to thank you for that cooperation. Let's maintain that level of cooperation. The success of these sessions relies on collaboration among us as well.
Justice Opiene yayongera yashaba abakozi ba Kooti okugumana bakwato obwire baba nibenda kushikiriza ekigenderwa cyo kuhura Emanja nshanju omu 2025.
If we are to succeed within the 45 days of killing all these matters, there are 73, so 73 divided by 45. You know how many we should try to finish almost in a week so that we will get it out of our way. We need to all observe time.
Oguyasima department y'ebihome ahabwogumana bakwato obwire.
Thank you, prisons. You have been the best. Not at any one moment have we reached here and prisons are not yet here. Please send our regards to your colleague, the head of the station. Tell him we are so grateful in terms of taking time. You have been the best. And we promise also not to give you hard time by saying take these people at night.
George Kunhira ori omulamuzi wa Kooti ya Hoima nawe yasima Justice Opiene ahabwo kugumana kwasaganya emishango y'obuhenda biragiro ari kugira ngo obuhereza bwe n'obuyamba mu kuchendeza ahabwingi bw'emishango mu Kooti ekiri kwongeza obuhereza burungi.
My voice to state paper thanking the Lord, the judge here for the good work. And I know that surely I've been observing you always here in court, 8 hours handling matters. Thank you for the commitment. Yes, at least you've been here.
Oguyayongera ashaba Kooti okubasa kwikiriza abajuruzi okugumana bakozesa Zoom okwenda kukwata obwire obwa Kooti.
The witnesses who are traveling from very far away, like in the situation of Kapchoro, that witness be heard on Zoom. I don't know whether it's possible. Maybe it would ease on that problem. My Lord, those very much I'm very grateful for the good work well done with your team, the registrar, and all the other stakeholders. They actually doing a good job.
Ahamushango nshanju heri mu Kooti emishango obucweki 10 hetabirwemo abakazi gasha kwa Gada Saba ahabwa Tayari West.